Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, I say what is a request and use it in controller for access data. I use a request and use it of request. Between we can use other request. Okay. The obtain an instance of the current HTTP request with dependency injection. You should and type hint the eliminate HTTP request. Okay. What is say this method? In this method, I open the controller and store method. We use our request. Okay. In store method, we use and request. Use it or eliminate HTTP request and name and dollar request. If click on this request, use this and other method. Okay, use this request URL and patch, and other method is and method all and other. And for use this, we can use DD dollar request and use method all. And if in store, if refresh back and create new name and slug anybody any submit and see that request is work and pass all data. I use this request in this method. Okay, I use this method. We can use of this method. I clear all for better. Okay, clear. I use in this request method. For example, I clear all and I use this dollar request validate and use dollar request validate, remove this and remove this. Okay, and use validate data and back, refresh and submit. It is to work. Okay, this is okay, and copy this and paste in update method and use in this our request and dollar request and ID. If back, edit and remove this and submit, it is work. Okay. For use validate in other class, I use request. For use request, we write PHP artisan make and click make find make request for this method, make request. Okay, say what is request name. Okay, I open app folder and HTTP folder and write make for example blog request. Okay, enter this and added new directory request and added blog request. For work authorize return change it to true. Before change it to true, use and this in copy and save this. Okay, return back title slug body, and we can use remove this and just use article blog request. Okay, and use in store of blog request and remove this. Before change it to false, true, I test this and create and submit. Action is unauthorized, it is false. Authorized is false. Okay, for change it to true, refresh and submit. It is work, and write this and it is true work. In update we can use this submit and it is to work. Okay, I use the request and blog request in public function store and public function update. For access to request in blog request, I use rules for title required, slug required, body required, and we can access all other controller method and just call a block request and very simply my code. Okay, for use in update we change this validate. For example, I use this submit, this validate not found. Change the validate to $request and all. Okay, refresh, resend and update it, and it is work. I use a request method that blog request. In store method we can article create method, change it to simply method. I remove this and this and say article create. We can use in request method $request and all. Okay, I create new article and a slug and body, submit and fill the view count. Okay, view count is nullable. We can use in this, but we can change it to view count null. Article and structure view count change to null and change it to nullable and resend. It is correct. In this